What is going on, guys? We're out here at Mecum Auto Auctions today. I guess we'll see what they have, so let's go. This is for a V8 Mustang. No one wants it. 2,500 bucks for a V8 Mustang. It's an automatic. 2001 automatic. No one wants it.
Now, just so you realize, it's a lot more fun when you participate. $10,000, $12,000, $15,000 now. 15, but anybody get 12, anybody get 15. And $15,000. You didn't learn anything. If we gave you an old lump of a truck and said, we want it painted yellow and we want it to look just like that one, and we're only going to pay you $13,000. You wouldn't be able to do it.
This thing is nuts. But it has no front because it's mid-engine. So you open this up. There's your spare tire. Because the engine, the engine is back here. And it's a convertible. It's a convertible. Gotta keep going, keep going. The big boy Mercedes Maybach. This car is nuts. Look how high it goes up. This is a shoulder height car. I'm 6'2", and this is shoulder height. So this car was previously owned by Pat Bowen of the Broncos owner. Probably one of the only cars here that I would ever actually want to save up for. 6-speed manual, black on tan. It's a beautiful car. Rear engine, you get the Porsche turbo noises. This thing is mental too to drive, I've heard. So I've always wanted one of these Lotus Elises. I don't know if I can fit in them. Oh, okay, there's the clutch. I got room. So can I go back a little bit? I can't go back at all, but I got room enough. I can work the clutch without my leg hitting. This is so low though, like my butt is on the ground. Getting out of this is gonna be awkward. I can fit barely, but it's such a cool car. Okay, we are taking a quick break. It is about 1 o'clock. My dad has a phone call for work that he has to make, and I'm starving, so we're gonna walk down to get some lunch because I'm starving. Okay, lunch was good. We're coming back now. It's 2 o'clock. Didn't miss that much time, but we'll see what else is new. And we're back in the auction. I found this Yanko. I think this is an actual Yanko too. That's awesome. What is this thing? It's right-hand drive. Is this a Mini Cooper? It's a Mini Moke. What is this?
It's crazy.
I want to see how much that goes for. What is this thing? It's got fire extinguisher. It's like a street legal go-kart. This has been going on for $20,000. Guess what car I'm in? The door goes up. That's... Oh, nope, coming down. There we go. I can work the clutch, but it's a little tight down here. Like, and everything's really, really, really close. So that's kind of an issue. This is the window. It feels like a Countach almost in here, like with the half window and all that. But that's cool. But like, oh my goodness. That's sick, but I can't fit in it. There's no one left.
See you in the morning, everyone. Have a great night.
Okay, Mecum's over. It's kind of late. We're gonna go get some dinner, and then we're gonna... yeah, we're just gonna get some dinner. But I'm gonna wrap it up here. I will see you guys next time.